Hi, Spartans. I'm Caleb McCune with Spartan Nation. On Saturday, January 10th, on the lanes, the Lakeview Spartans turned into a strong team performance led by Preston Blair and Caden Williams. Preston Blair was the top bowler for Lakeview, rolling an outstanding 225, while Caden Williams wasn't far behind with an impressive 223 of his own. Both bowlers stayed consistent throughout the match and came through in key moments, helping set pace for the entire lineup. With that momentum, the Spartans were able to sweep Plainwell 3-0, showing great chemistry, focus, and energy from the first frame to the last. This win was especially meaningful for Lakeview as it marked a big bounce back win after last week's loss to Gull Lake, and it proved the Spartans' ability to respond and continue moving forward with confidence as the season goes on.